like a beer?
You have beer?
Well, that was a question. You got a question with the question?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, so when you get down to the parking lot, there's a Silver Forester, there's a thermal bag, a cooler bag, there's some PBR and some Bud Light in the bottom.
Down
there.
that way?
Yeah, as you walk to the parking lot, like you're gonna...
Oh, there's another parking lot where we came from.
Yeah, that's a Tensati.
Oh,
But you
yeah.
walk right past it here.
Oh.
So there's a little cooler bag right there. Some beers in the bottom. Just there's a bag of food. Just put the food on top of the ice.
Oh yeah, right on. Thank you.
Of course.
Pretty dogs.
I know.
Thank you.
What are their names?
This is Maggie right here. Maggie. Maggie. She's a little skittish.
Oh, it's okay.
This just she takes a little bit to warm up, and then it's Bella. Bella, where you going?
Exploring, dude.
Where you going?
Go with Bella.
That Bella a little less shy.
Come on. Get up here. Come on.
Around.
Bella.
I love it when people bring dogs.
Come on.
here.
Get up here. Oh, you made it.
Oh, yay. Hi, sweetheart.
I don't have any food. Sorry.
Well, if I make it back before you guys, there'll be some snacks and some sodas. But there's beer in the coolers.
Hey.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you, man. Hey, what's your name?
Will.
Will.
Oh,
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
I'm actually looking for water.
there's a water source down here, and we have some too if you want.
Yeah. You mind if I get a little bit for the dogs?
For sure.
Bella, come here.
Yeah, there's some left in here.
Well, there's a water source, right? Are you guys doing the white blaze to Whitney? I mean the blue blaze to Whitney?